Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in very good health. Alhamdulillah, enjoying a beautiful day from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a beautiful gift with all our health, happiness, energy, enthusiasm. So you can enjoy a day. We can enjoy our lectures, we can enjoy the family time, we can enjoy the friends time, we can enjoy the playtime. So a beautiful day. So we are in our literacy class right now, and we are doing we have done a lot of alphabets. So today also we are going to do an activity with the alphabets, but that will be a little different, a little colorful, because I think kids love colors. So your activities, your lectures should all be very colorful and interactive, and teachers are working so very hard to make all that very interactive and colorful for you. And I always just remind you for a little of the thing to ask you a small favor, which I think is all right, and you should do that. Get to subscribe the channel, yeah. And though do you like our videos, so please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, please. Yes, you have to give it a thumbs up and then share it with your friends, right? Yeah, that's perfect. That's okay. That's wonderful. So we're going to start, but please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, again. Today also we will be playing with alphabets. It's always good to even play and learning, so that makes fun, right? Okay, so we're going to start. I am just going to show you a couple of pictures. Yeah, okay, so you're going to tell me the names of the pictures. What is it? And this is a very fat hand like me. My hand is also very fat. Fat hand, and then this is this hand. Yay, hand. Okay, now what is this? Coat. Yes, this is a coat. And this is about a color. Blue. Yes, this is a blue color. Fork. Very good. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you something. Okay, now I have written the word over here, and you are going to give me the missing letter over here, right? So I hope you're ready and you know the sound of the letters, right? Yes, you know the sound of the letters. So the first one is hand. A-N-D, hand. The first one is missing. The first letter is missing. So by taking out the sound of that, hand. So what do you think will come over here? Hand. Yes, you are going to write here H. Okay, so I have a different color. So maybe, but this does not even look blue over here. I'm going to write here H. This even look black, kind of black. Okay, her hand, right? So H was missing over here. Now this completes the word hand, right? Hand, H-A-N-D, hand, right? Okay, now here. Now this is, what is it? Coat. Very good. Coat. Now, O-A-T. What is missing over here? Coat. No, it's not K. K is K. And this is K. Coat. What will come over here? Coat. Yes. Very good. C-O-A-T. Coat. So you can do right here. Yay. C-O-A-T. Coat. Okay, this will be a little tricky. Blue. we have done vowels. Blue, this is one of the vowel over here. Blue, blue, sky is blue. Come, let's see the color blue. BL. Okay, so you know the spelling. BLUE. That is good. Good, good, good. Blue, blue. The sky is blue. Come, let's see the color blue. Okay. Now this says fork, fork. Or, yes, you have done that. Or ostrich. Remember? Yeah. Or, oh, yes. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So hold on. I need to write O over here. That's good. Okay. Now we've done hand, coat, blue, and fork. That was easy. Yeah, wasn't that? Okay. So now we're going to do the next one. I will have to. Okay. So I hope you can see this. Yeah, you can see this. So what is this? Fish, boat, bird, and the last one. And the last one is duck. Yeah. B, duh. Fish, boat, bird, duck. Okay. So now we are going to see the words. Okay, let me, okay, I think this is good. Right, okay. So this says fish, fish, right? Fish, ish, it, ish. What will come over here? What do you think? Ish, fish. Yes. F-I-S-H, fish. So we're going to write here I. Okay, that's good. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. And the second one is boat, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Now, yeah, that's very easy. Okay. B is for bee, boat. B for boat. That is good. Wonderful. Very nice. Okay. Now the second is also B. I have to write it like that. So please don't look at my writing because see, this is also leaning like a leaning tower. But that's okay. Sorry for the writing. Okay. So bird, bird. Okay, yes. B-I-R-D, bird. So we're going to write here, that is good. And the last one, your favorite is the duck. Duck, right? Now D, then there's missing, then C and K. Duck. Okay, you haven't done that because but that's a vowel. We have done the vowel. Duck. What will come over here? D, yay, D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, now look at my writing, please, because I am like, okay, so look at the board. Now we have done all the missing letters, hand, then coat, then blue, fork, fish, boat, bird, and duck. Wow, this looks colorful, right? Okay. So this looks colorful. So I'm going to adjust my camera over here. And maybe I just want to put it back over here. So you will be able to have a look at that like this. Okay. So you'll be able to see this. I hope this does not fall on me. Yeah. Okay. So we have this over here. And we are going to now do the exercise in our book, the Hippo one, the A to M, right? We're going to take that out, the Hippo one, A to M, and you are going to take out page number 4, right? Now we are going to take out page number 4. I'll put the markers back. Whenever you use your marker, whenever you use your paints, please put the cap tightly down so they don't get dried up. Okay. Right. So we are on page number 4. We've got some pictures as we have done over here. The missing letters we have done. So in the same way, we're going to do the exercise over here, right? We have 6 pictures over here. Now the first one is, this doesn't look like a mole because the mole have sharp teeth over here. Maybe he's closing his mouth, so the sharp teeth are not coming out. So mole. Mole is the animal which digs the ground and make hole and live in the burrows under the ground. Yeah, so that is a mole. But this cute little, like, look like a mouse as well, but it's not a mouse. Mole. All. 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 Mango. Remember? Mushroom. Mug. Mama. Right? Yes. You are going to write here. M. So take out your pencils and write over here. Small. Okay. Here you're going to write lowercase, right? Lowercase alphabet. Okay. Now the second animal. Okay. You write it down. M. Good. Okay. Now the second animal is otter. Otter. This is ter. Oh, yes. Oh, you've done over here. Where did we write? Oh, okay, here, right? Oh, fork, otter. Okay, but you can write here. Oh, very good. You're going to write here O. Yes, take out your pencil and write O. Very nice. Okay. Now the second are the uppercase letters. Okay. Now what is it? Nut. Nut. Yes, this is it. Nut. So N at U. Yes. N-U-T. Nut. So there here you're going to write capital U. Though the small and the capital and the small U, they are the same shape. So, but these uppercase letters, so you're going to write here U. You're not going to put small U over here, right? Yes. Good. Okay. Then the second is ring. I don't have the ring. Yeah, the second one is ring. Yay. Okay. So ring, ing, ring, ing. Yes, we're going to write here I, but capital I, right? Uppercase I, not the small I, because these are uppercase letters, right? Okay. Good. Okay. Now the second picture is lion. Yeah. Yes. Lion. 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 Hand. Line. Right? Bean. Okay. Yes. N. Line. Now these are the small alphabets, the lowercase alphabet, so you're going to write here small n, not the capital N, right? When there are small letters, you're going to follow the same sequence. If there are capital letters, you're going to follow the same sequence. Remember the sequencing? Okay. So the last one is yach, right? Now, yach. Now the last one is silent over here. Okay. So here we're going to write T, right? Right. Okay. So we're going to write here T. Okay. That's great. So this was our literacy class right now, and in which we have done the missing letters. And I hope you have enjoyed the activity. So this was it. I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, please stay safe, be happy, and please be grateful for whatever you have. And don't forget to please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Okay. So see you soon. Till the next lecture. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.